My name's Adrian Mudd. I've been a customer at Mr Tyre Coventry for the last year. Everybody's really friendly, always want to help, go the extra mile, very, very knowledgeable. Some of the team have got knowledge way beyond the sort of normal capabilities you'd expect at a normal tyre and sort of exhaust shop. I needed to have an exhaust built on a classic car that I was restoring, and this was the place I needed to come to because nobody else in Coventry did that. So they did me a complete stainless steel exhaust system, and then I realised the service I was getting and decided that I'd go with him for other matters as well on that car. And ever since, I've ended up bringing another classic car I've got. Also, my wife gets a car done here, and I get my main daily driver done here as well. And always found the service has been first class, and actually the service offered is a notch up from other tyre places that I've been to and used in the past. I'd recommend Mr Tyre Coventry because the level of service you get, the friendly staff, I think also the price point is definitely reasonable. And they want you to keep coming back, and I think that's why I keep coming back, and I've recommended them to other people as well who've now become their customers.